It's been a hot minute since I did a balloon tutorial video, so for today's video I am gonna be putting together a simple spiral 2-color balloon arch. So first things first, I am gonna need a 10-inch round template so I can size my balloons. I don't have one, I didn't buy one. Why when I can just make my own? And I'll show you how to make one too. So what I have here is just a simple cardboard box. And so what I need is a 10-inch round. So what I'm gonna do is measure from the center. I'm gonna measure out 5 inches and all the way around 5 inches, which will give me a 10-inch width, I guess you should say. Hold on, let me draw the circle. Okay, forgive me. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. Let's see how this goes. So first I'm gonna draw the dot in the middle of here. This, as you can see, I drew the dot just so as I'm going around, I'll make sure the dot lines up, so that way the circle lines up. So here's the dot. Make this straight, and I'm gonna draw a little dash at the 5 inch. So you can kind of see my dash there. Okay, and then I'm gonna move it this way. Line up your dot by the 5 inch. Make your next mark. Move it again. Make it straight. And we're just going to keep doing that all the way around, and then we're going to connect the dots to make a circle, and we're going to cut it out with an exact point. So there's my circle. Is it perfect? Definitely not, but I'm going to cut it out. Pretty much 10 inches. So 12-inch balloons, blow them up to full capacity. Now we got them by the necks. We didn't tie them, we didn't let any air out. Now we're gonna come over to our balloon sizer. Okay, so I'm gonna stick it in the balloon, let out a little bit of air until it slips through. Kind of pushing onto the box as well. Okay, boom, slip through. That's good. Now do the other one. Releasing air, pushing down until it slips through. Boom. Now we have 2 10-inch balloons the same size. Now we're gonna cross with one neck, twist around, twist twice. Holding it with your arms, pull it apart, switch, and tie it once. That's it, tie it once. Now, you have a duplet, okay? Both white. Now we're gonna do the same thing, we're gonna do it again with your next color. Like I said, it's a 2-color spiral arch. So, white and green. Next is green. Blow it up. Slip through. Hold. Just twist and tie. Okay. Now we have 2 duplets, and we're gonna join them together. You're basically gonna put the neck of this one and the neck of this one. You're gonna put it together. Okay. See? Then we're gonna twist it, and twist it. Okay. Then as we're adding it onto the pole for the arch, it's gonna be like this, okay? Not like this, like this. Creating the pattern as we go, okay? So, 1 down, 40 more to go. Okay, I did already get started, but I wanted to time myself to see how long it's gonna take me to blow up basically 42 quads of balloons. I did already blow up 2, so I'm just gonna add on a couple minutes for those 2. But ready, set, go. Okay, so and stop the clock. Time is 41 minutes, 41 seconds. Hey, that's kind of like angel number-ish. Anyway, 2 packs of 100 each. What I can say about the quality of the balloons is they are a little see-through. Like the green is a little see-through. The white is kind of thin. It's giving me very much Calisan vibes. Is that how you even pronounce it? I don't know, but it's giving very much those vibes that it's very thin. I'm a little worried because the last time I worked with the Calisan brand in white, it was so thin and the heat was so bad that the whites were sticking together, that when I would try and manipulate them or twist them, they would pop. I had so many pop on me. So I'm a little bit worried. We'll see how this goes tomorrow during the transport. I have a big van. Yeah, so what I ended up with was 2 full mattress bags, and then my other half works county, and he had some of these big bags. They're not as big as the mattress bags, but they're pretty long. They're not as wide, but it's enough to store my overflow. Anyway, another thing I could say about these balloons is they're powdery. So I don't know, there's dust. Like dust on my camera, there's dust all on the table, making me sneeze. Whatever. And out of the 100 white balloons, I only had 1 with a hole. And the green, I didn't have any holes. Tomorrow I will show you how to attach it to the poles and my pole setup, my arch setup, my bases, my stand, whatever you want to call it, tomorrow. I got my van all loaded up. I got my bases with my weights. I have my little emergency kit with my flanges, extra balloons, duct tape, scissors. Got my ladder and my pipes. I ended up cutting my pipes down so it fits better, and then I'll just connect them as you'll see later in the video. And then these are tablecloths that I'm going to use to cover the wood, just to make it a little more professional. It was like a long tablecloth, and I just cut it and poked a hole in the middle. I'll show you that later too. Now let's load up the balloons. So we have our plywood with the flange and the threaded nipple. We're just gonna screw it on, and then you'll see later that we're gonna put the weight on it and then slip the pipe over this, and it's probably gonna sit in there about this deep, and then just tape it around. So it's a 1/2 inch by 20 foot PVC pipe. So on one end it has like this bell, and we're just going to stick the other end into this one and duct tape it together. So we're gonna continue see the pattern of green, white, and as we put it on, we're gonna alternate and like twist it just a step. So what we're gonna do is put it between the pole. We're gonna put the pole between the two balloons like this, and we're just gonna twist it twice. Once and twice. Now we have the pattern, white, green, and when we put the next one on, put it on, twist twice, and twist together, and then you're gonna put the white between the next two, and then it's gonna spiral. Continue the pattern. So the next one, so you can already start to see the spiral, and just keep going until your pole is full.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never, and turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always